Lordship, Council seeks permission, issue number 3 with argument, proceed with argument. Much obliged, Lordship. Third issue is that sealed covered and confidentiality and NDA. That is, before going to third issue, Lordship, I made application before Honorable Court. That is, my will deed is confidential and assets of list be confidential. The Honorable Court has allowed my application and permitted the my will deed is confidentiality. So my submission is that for issue number 3, the defendant humbly submit that the court has fully empowered both inherent jurisdiction and settled civil procedure to regulate manner and sensitive document such alleged will, that is will is alleged and asset list are placed on record. That's made application and Honorable Court has permitted to keep confidentiality of will deed. So to prevent prejudice, protect privacy and ensure the fair trial and media sensitive.
Where the trust is situated?
Yes, sir. Before
Where it is situated?
trust not on record, but Lordship before will deed before death of the Sanju Khanna made trust, that is legal heirs, divorced wife Kajal Khanna, that is 2 children. They have made for 2 children legal heirs trust. That's why not any shares in the said will deed.
Proceed.
Much obliged, Lordship. For third issue, one of the case laws, Naresh Mizrajkar versus State of Maharashtra. In this case, Supreme Court held that principle of open justice is subject to exception and court has may lawfully restricted public access or disclosure when required in the interest of justice and fair trial and administration of justice. Lordship, my humble submission that for third issues, for the my privacy and ensure the fair trial, that's why my made application for keep confidential my will deed. So my humble submission is that Lordship does not violate the principle of open justice or preface access of parties preserved under control according to challenge of the sealed covered procedure is unsustainable. Lordship, proceed with issue number 4. Much obliged, Lordship. Issue number 4 is that interim relief, freezing or preservation of asset, that is CPC, interim relief CPC order 39 CPC rule 1 and 2 said that interim relief. Lordship, my humble submission that defendant humbly submit that injunction under order 39 CPC does not entitle to plaintiff because, sir, when we granting the injunction, there are three provision are satisfied, that is balance of convenience, irreparable loss and prima facie case. There is no prima facie case to plaintiff. That is humble submission that plaintiff challenge only rest of mere allegation and forgery and suspicious and cogent prima facie case. No any strong proof of the plaintiff show that it is forgery and allegation made. So that is no any prima facie case. Second is that balance of convenience lies in favor of defendant because of Lordship granting freezing order or appointing receiver cause grave injury to me because, sir, my ongoing business, I huge business in my huge business and investment contractual obligation part of the state. Lordship, my humble submission that balance of convenience lies in favor of defendant and no irreparable cause to plaintiff because of Lordship. There is no solid proof that the defendant trying to secret sale, transfer or hide to right. There is no any evidence before this honorable court that transferring the defendant transfer the property or hide the assets of list. There is no any evidence before. So humble my submission to that issue 4.
That will be decided by court.
Yes, sir. Much obliged, Lordship. Issue number 5 is that presentation of minor and next friend as guardianship. The defendant humbly submit that representation of minor plaintiff by their mother Kajal Khanna as a next friend either automatically or unconditional under Rule 32 of the CPC. While the natural guardian ordinarily may act as a next friend without formal appointment of court, such entitlement will be expressed subject to absence of any conflict in interest of the minor. In this case, particular lordship, in this case, sir, Kajal personally and litigant interests are clearly with these minor children. That is, lordship, Kajal is also personally and legitimately liable, so potentially adverse to minor plaintiff. Therefore, the attracting the disqualification and supervision safeguarding contemplated under 32 of the Rule 4 and 9 of the CPC. Sir, lordship, I would like to refer my companion.
We already have it.
Yes, my lordship. I will refer my page number 5 of compendium, order 32, and rule 9 what shows, sir, removal of next friend. Where the interest of the next friend of the minor is adverse, that is, Kajal Khanna is interest is adverse to minor, that is, Kajal Khanna not entitled to act as a next friend. It is my humble submission. And my furthermore submission for the issue number 5, I would like to refer my memorial page number 18, that is one of the case, Nagaya versus Chaudamma. In this case held that decree passed where the minor is not properly represented is voidable, and court must ensure real, effective and conflict-free representation. So my humble submission that decree against the minor passed without proper and conflict-free representation. Here in particular, sir, Kajal Khanna is adversely interested in the property. So, sir, this is my humble submission for 6th issue. Present case, next friend interests are potentially adverse. The court is duly bound to intervene to protect the minor welfare. Honorable court ought therefore to remove the present next friend and appoint independent guardian ad interim to ensure the conflict-free representation.
Kajal Khanna is mother.
How
Mother
shall
of these two
adverse?
children.
Sorry, my
How
lord.
her interest is adverse to the children?
She is the mother of these two,
Yes, my lordship.
right?
Yes.
Then how she will be adverse?
She already divorced. She
She is divorcee,
yes,
Divorcee, that
Yes.
is a different thing.
yes, sir.
but you are talking about the adverse interest. So how adverse interest is there of mother?
Uh, in present case, sir, Kajal Khanna personally and litigation interests are clearly intervened with and potentially adverse. Potentially adverse, my lordship. That is about his 30,000 crore estate, my lordship, Sanju Khanna. She also claimed that.
She need to protect her children's future.
Yes, my lordship.
That is
Not
valid
protect,
interest.
not protect. She also claimed that one of my shares in the property. That is adverse in present case, sir, and potentially also liability. So my humble submission is that Kajal is not act with next guardian, next friend.
And if the natural mother is present, who will be the next guardian of the minors? In the absence of the mother, we can understand.
Yes.
But if the mother is present, then who is the next guardian of the
But
minors?
she can file the suit. But my learned counsel in that memorial held that she also claimed the property shares. So that one is that adversely interest of the Kajal. That's my humble submission. She can file the next friend for the guardian protection of minor. But she also claimed that the Maya also one of the interest. She also already divorced in 2018.
So in 2018, she got the property. She in 2018 she got the
Yes, sir.
maintenance. Do you have any record?
Made trust of the made trust for minor that their heirs and Kajal made already Sanjeev Khanna trusts, my lord.
She was also legally wedded wife of Sanjeev Khanna earlier,
Yeah, yes,
right?
yes, lordship.
Before divorce.
Yes, lordship.
So at the time of divorce, whether she got the maintenance from Sanjeev,
Yes, lordship. My maintenance already paid, and made also her name is trust deed. Trust also made. I would like to refer my lordship in will deed.
her name is also mentioned in the trust.
Yes, my lordship.
Is it? Are you sure?
Sorry, my lordship. For minor children, made trust. So sorry, my lordship. So my humble submission is that she claiming the also shares in the in property. So it is Kajal also
Come
interest.
to the prayer clause directly.
Lordship, issue number proceeded last.
No, I guess your time is over.
Only.
Time
only.
is over. Time is already over. You come to the prayer clause directly.
Yes, ma'am. My player lordship declare that the will is validly and legally executed. Second player is that recognize defendant one and sole executor on sole beneficiary. Third issue is that dismiss the plaintiff petition, and fourth issue is that uphold the seal cover confidential order, and fifth issue is that reject the prayer of the interim injunction, and the sixth issue is that pass any other order deemed the fit interest of the justice. Much obliged, Lord.
Do you have any points to review?
Whether you want to reply, any ambiguity is there? Whether you want
Any
to
submission from your
clarify-
side?
नाही
त्यांनी नाही द्यायचंय.
तिने आर्ग्युमेंट जे केलेली अगदी क्लिअर आहे.
नाही सर
कुठं
I
ambiguity
have-
राहिली?
तुम्हाला काही त्याच्यावर ऑब्जेक्शन आहे का जे
आहे.
त्यांनी बोलले?
दोन
हां,
objections
मग
आहे.
बोला ते बोला ते
फर्स्ट
सांगा.
they says that की court cannot grant
If you are
temporary
comfortable
injunction.
in Marathi, tell Marathi.
नाही.
हां.
They cannot grant, court cannot grant temporary injunction. First, sir, according to section 151 of Civil Procedure Code, court have inherent power to grant injunction or pass an order
No, my
on the
lordship.
ground of end of justice.
Okay, what is second point?
Sir, second point, they claims that the private interest of the Kajal Khanna. There is no private interest of Kajal Khanna. The children's are comes under section 8 of the Hindu Succession Act, class 1 heirs, and they are entitled to property and succession of his father.
Lordship, how to grant injunction in
They are not permitted.
Reply to reply.
Counsel seek permission for rebuttal. Just two questions, sir. For granting injunction, there are three settled position are proved prima facie case, irreparable loss, and
Yes,
balance
you
of
have
conviction.
already you have stated that thing.
My humble submitted plaintiff are not clean hand, come with clean hand. That rejection of interim injunction. Thank you.
Thank you.
इधर अटेंड करना है, स्टॉप करना है इधर.
अच्छा.
ठीक. चलो. यही रखे ना.